Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can rename your workspace in the Loom application. So let us get started. So guys, you will need to access the Loom app through the desktop version, through the web version of course in your browser, not through the desktop app. And here log into your account and navigate to your workspace settings. So what you want to do is click into workspace here with that gear icon, not that one here, that is going to redirect you to your general account settings. So click into workspace settings, and here in the workspace settings switch to general, and here click into that field to rename your workspace. And as you can see, you can use, I don't see any limit of characters you may use here, so rename it. And once that's done, scroll down. As you can see, there is no real save button, so you can just leave it like that, and then the given change will be applied. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.